Class 1 and welcome to your third history lesson. Today we are going to find out about the Great Fire of London. The Great Fire of London began in the early hours of Sunday the 2nd of September 1666. It began on Pudding Lane at a baker's shop belonging to a baker called Thomas. Here is a picture of Pudding Lane today. Here is a present-day map of Pudding Lane. The River Thames played an important role in the events that unfolded on the 2nd of September 1666. Can you find the River Thames on this map? Let's find out more about how the Great Fire started and spread across London. A fire started in Thomas's bakery. The fire quickly started to spread across London. The Great Fire had begun. Samuel Pepys watched the fire spread and started to record the events in his diary. People used buckets of water that they had collected from the River Thames to try and put the fire out. The fire destroyed many buildings which were later rebuilt from brick instead of wood. The buildings were very close together, so the fire spread very quickly. Houses were pulled down to stop the fire from spreading further. People had to carry their belongings to safety using boats on the River Thames. The fire spread very close to the Tower of London. Luckily, it was not damaged. The fire continued to spread and it destroyed St. Paul's Cathedral. The fire started to burn more slowly as the winds died down and eventually it stopped. 6 people died, but thousands of people were left homeless, lost their business or lost many of their possessions. The Great Fire of London was a terrible event. Think about how the people of London must have been feeling as they watched the fire destroy their homes and belongings. Pause the video and add all of your ideas to a mind map. Here are some of the feelings that I thought of. Scared, worried, terrified, upset, nervous, petrified. Today you are going to order the events of the Great Fire of London by writing the numbers 1 to 6 in the boxes. Pause the video while you look at the events in your workpack. Let's find the first event together. I have written a number 1 to show that this is the first event. A fire started in Thomas's bakery. The fire quickly started to spread across London. You can now number the rest of your pictures and answer the questions at the bottom of your worksheet.